Hello, our dearest viewers. You're welcome to Zealot School of Marketing, where we simplify marketing for absolute beginners, people seeking to learn digital marketing, existing marketing professionals, and entrepreneurs, business owners trying to increase their profits and drive business growth. If you fall into any of these categories, you are highly welcome. This is the right place that you have come to. Just endeavor to click on the like button, the subscribe button, and the notification bell to ensure you do not miss out on any of the valuable resources and information we have in store for you in our subsequent classes. So today, like is our custom, we'll take a few questions and their answers from the last class, which was understanding your audience, the key to successful marketing. If you missed that class after watching this video, do well to go refer to that video and watch it, digest it, and watch the wonders it actually does for your business and for your marketing efforts when you start to implement what you've learned from that video. Now, the first question we have is, what is a target audience and why is it important for my marketing? Now, your target audience is a specific group of people who are most likely to benefit from your products or services. Now, identifying your target audience is crucial because it ensures that your marketing efforts reach the right people. Without a defined audience, your messaging becomes too broad and it makes it harder to convert leads into customers, and it ends up wasting your valuable time and resources on irrelevant audiences. Now, when you understand your target audience, you can create the specific content that will resonate with them. When you don't even know your target audience, where do you start from? You keep trying to please everybody, and at the end of the day, you end up pleasing nobody. The next question is, how do I define my target audience effectively? And the answer is, defining your target audience involves analyzing factors like demographics, their age, their gender, their location, psychographics like their lifestyle, their values, their interests, and behaviors like buying habits and online activities. Now, when you start by looking at your current customers, analyzing who they are, and why they choose your products or services, then you can segment your potential customers based on their specific needs and pain points that your business solves. The next question is, what is a buyer persona and how can it help your marketing? A buyer persona is a fictional profile that represents your ideal customer. Now, it includes details like their age, their occupation, their challenges, their goals, and their buying behavior. Now, by creating a buyer persona, you will gain a clear understanding of who your target customers are, and it makes it easier to craft messages that will resonate with their needs and their preferences. This helps improve engagement, it increases conversions, and it builds stronger customer relationships. And the next question is, how do I create a buyer persona for my business? And you start by collecting data from your existing customers through surveys, interviews, and analytics, social media or Google Analytics. Now, you identify common traits like what are their challenges, their motivations, and what do they expect from your products or services. Now, you can create a profile with these details like, Sarah is a 30-year-old working professional looking for convenience in fitness equipment. The more detailed your persona is, the better you can tailor your marketing to address their needs. And the more they would actually feel like they can trust you, because if you know them this well, then they can trust that you will serve them as well. Now, the next question is, what if I am not sure who my target audience is? The answer is, if you are unsure who your target audience is, start by using audience research tools. Platforms like Google Analytics provide insights into your website's visitors, demographics, their interests, and their behavior. Social media platforms also offer valuable data on who is engaging with your content. You can also send surveys to your current customers to understand their needs and their preferences better. The next question is, how can understanding my audience improve my marketing efforts? And when you understand your audience, you can create personalized and targeted marketing campaigns that speak directly to their pain points and desires. This leads to higher engagement, better conversion rates, and more loyal customers. By speaking their language and addressing their specific needs, your audience will feel more connected to your brand. And this will make your marketing more effective and less expensive. The next question is, how do I avoid marketing to the wrong audience? And to avoid marketing to the wrong audience, regularly update and refine your buyer personas and target audience based on current data. So your data has to be current, and you have to utilize this data to refine your buyer personas and your marketing strategy. Continuously track who's interacting with your brand and adjust your messaging to match the correct group. Now, tools like social media insights, customer feedback, and analytics, they help you stay aligned with the right audience and avoid spending resources on irrelevant prospects. The next question is, what tools can I use to better understand my audience? Now, several tools help you gather data and insights about your audience. One of these tools is Google Analytics. Don't get tired of hearing Google Analytics. It gives you information about who visits your website, including their demographics and their interests. We have surveys, simple tools that we often take for granted, like SurveyMonkey or Google Forms, which can help you gather feedback directly from your customers. And then we have social media insights. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter provide data on your followers' demographics and engagement patterns. All of this will be very helpful to help you understand your audience. Now, the next question is, how can audience research help me solve my customers' pain points? Now, audience research allows you to identify your customers' biggest challenges and pain points. And by understanding their frustrations and needs, you can tailor your marketing and product offerings to solve their specific problems. This increases your customer satisfaction, leads to a stronger relationship. The next question is, can a business have more than one target audience? Now, the answer to this is yes. Many businesses have more than one target audience, especially if they offer different products or services that appeal to various groups. In this case, it's essential to create multiple buyer personas and adjust your marketing strategies for each segment. For example, if you sell fitness equipment, one audience could be busy professionals, while another might be stay-at-home parents. You craft different messages for each to address their unique needs. The next question is, how often should I update my understanding of my target audience? The answer is, you should regularly update your understanding of your audience, especially as markets and consumer behaviors change quite frequently. Now, every 6 months or 6 to 12 months, review your buyer personas and target audience data to ensure that your marketing efforts remain aligned with their current needs and preferences. Major shifts in your industry's competition or customer feedback should also prompt you to revisit your audience research. Now, what are the signs that I'm not targeting the right audience? Now, if your marketing campaigns are not generating the expected engagement, conversions, or ROI, that's return on investment, it might be a sign that you are targeting the wrong audience. Now, other signs could be low open rates on your emails, poor engagement on your social media, and high bounce rates on your websites, and negative feedback from customers who feel your product doesn't meet their needs. Now, these indicators suggest that your messaging is not resonating, and you may need to reevaluate your audience or your product, or both, or your strategies. If you got value from today's class, you enjoyed it, or you learned anything really valuable and insightful, this is a good time to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and the notification bell so that you do not miss out on any of the amazing goodies we have in store for you. This is also a very good time to remind you to share this video. There are a lot of business owners out there who are struggling with their marketing, and marketing professionals who are frustrated with their jobs. This video would actually bring them some light, some guidance, some insights that they will be grateful to you for sharing with them. And finally, use the comment section below. Let us know what you think, the questions you have, the gray areas that need clarifying, and then what you've learned and the feedback you've gotten from applying those lessons in your business. We look forward to engaging with every single one of your comments, because this channel exists for you to make you the best marketing professional that you can be. So look forward to seeing you in our next class, same venue. And of course, we hope that a better version of you will be interfacing with in the next class, because you would have applied these lessons to your business. Do take care of you.